This 2016 CrossRoads Redwood 39 megabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 4, spare tire kit, self-contained, slide-out, microwave, smoke detector, water heater, awning, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, TV, and 104 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bath, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2016 CrossRoads Redwood 39 megabytes is 14,872 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.